हॅलो. काल आपण लिनियर इक्वेशन्स इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स याची तर आता आपण सायमल्टेनियस लिनियर इक्वेशन्स कशाला म्हणतात, त्याची डेफिनेशन काय आहे, त्याच्यावरचे उदाहरणं कसे सोडवायचे, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 कशी सोडवायची ते आपण आता पाहू. सी हिअर, simultaneous linear equations. Definition of simultaneous linear equation is when we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous equations. तर हेच मराठीत सांगायचं असेल तर, जेव्हा आपण दोन चलातील दोन रेषीय समीकरणाचा एकत्रितपणे विचार करतो तेव्हा त्या दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणाला आपण एकसामायिक समीकरणे असं म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, x + y = 5, x - 3y = 8. This is the first example. a + b = 7, a + 2b = 7. This is the second equation. Now we think these two equations together in first and second. Therefore, these two equations are simultaneous equations. Now, we have to solve the simultaneous equation. There are two methods which are studied in 9th class. The first method is elimination of variable by equating the coefficients, and the second method is elimination of variable by substitution. These are the two methods. Now we see one example by using two methods. You can solve any method in exam. Now let us solve the following simultaneous equation, which is 5x - 3y = 8, 3x + y = 2. Now solution by first method. That means first method means elimination of variable by equating the coefficients. Now 5x - 3y = 8. This is the equation first, and 3x + y = 2. Give this equation number 2. Now see here, in equation 1 and 2, the coefficients of x and y are not same. So we have to equalize the coefficients of x or y. आपल्याला x आणि y चे कोएफिशियंट्स 1 आणि 2 मध्ये पहा सारखे नाहीत. मग त्याला आपण काय करावं लागेल, सारखं करण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये y चा सहगुणक 3 आहे आणि 2 मध्ये y चा सहगुणक 1 आहे कोएफिशियंट. If we have to equalize the coefficients of y, then multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3. Now multiplying equation 2 by 3, we have 9x + 3y = 6. Give this equation number 3. Now from equation 1 and 3, see equation 1 and 3, the coefficients of variable y are equal and their signs are different. When their signs are different, then we add equation 1 and equation 3. Therefore, adding these two equations, we have 5x + 9x = 14x and -3y + 3y, that means 0. 8 + 6 = 14. Therefore, x = 1. This is the elimination of variable y, and we get the value of x variable, which is x = 1. Now put x = 1 in equation 2, which is equation 2, 3x + y = 2. See here. You put value x = 1 in any equation, 1 or 2 or 3. We put x = 1 in equation 2. Now putting 3 into 1 plus y = 2, then solving this, y = -1. Therefore the solution is x = 1, y = -1. It is also written as x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 1. This is the first method, by elimination of variable by equating the coefficient. This is first method. Now the same example we solve by method second. Now give the equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, give equation number 1. Again 3x plus y is equal to 2, give equation number 2. Let us write value of y in terms of x from equation 2 or any equation. Which equation is simple? From that equation we write value of y in terms of x or value of x in terms of y. वर दिलेल्या इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 मधून आपल्याला जे सोपं समीकरण वाटेल त्याच्यातून x ची व्हॅल्यू y च्या स्वरूपात किंवा y ची व्हॅल्यू x च्या स्वरूपात लिहिता येते. तर मी काय केलं, इक्वेशन 2 वरून y ची व्हॅल्यू x च्या स्वरूपात लिहिलेली आहे. लेट अस राइट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ y इन टर्म्स ऑफ x फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. 3x plus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Put this value of y in equation 1. You put the value of equation y 1 in equation 2 मध्ये ठेवू नका, कारण आपण त्याच्यावरूनच काय केलंय, y ची व्हॅल्यू x च्या स्वरूपात काढली आहे, म्हणून इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये ठेवायचं नाही. कुठं ठेवणार, इन इक्वेशन 1. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. 5x minus 3 into 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now solving this, we have again the elimination of variable y and we get the value of x is 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 3, which is the simple equation 3. We get urgent value of y. You also put in equation 1 and equation 2, but simplest equation is y is equal to 2 minus 3x equation 3, so that we put x is equal to 1 in equation 3, then putting the value of x we have and solving this, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to y is equal to minus 1 is the solution. Now we solve this equation in two methods. Now if the simultaneous equation is of the type, see here example number 2, solve. This is the example 2. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. That means the interchange of coefficients of x and y here. Therefore we have to solve this equation by which type? See here, 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, give this equation number 1, and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11, give this equation number 2. We add these two equations 1 and 2 and get the simple equation. 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. Now dividing both sides by 32 or get the common 32, we have x plus y is equal to 1, give this equation number 3. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, first we add these two equations, now we subtract these two equations, and again we get the equation minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Again dividing both sides by 2, we have minus x plus y is equal to 5, give this equation number 4. When we subtract, then the signs of 17x, 15y and 11 are changed. Now adding equation 3 and 4, again we have the elimination of variable x and we get 2y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 3 in equation 3. You put any equation, I put in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 1, therefore x plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 minus 3, that means x is equal to minus 2. हे व्हॅल्यू इथे दिसत नाही पण आहे खाली. Therefore the solution of this equation is x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3. तर आज आपण सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन कसं सोडवायचं, याच्या किती मेथड आहेत, आपण गेल्या वर्षी किती मेथड शिकल्या, त्या दोन मेथडनी आणि दुसऱ्या एक प्रकारचं गणित घेऊन आपण आज समजावून घेतलं. आता याच्यावर आधारित तुम्हाला सरावासाठी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 तुम्ही घरी सोडवा. थँक्स.